Want to control Windows like a pro? Let me show you how to use it like a Unix, just using CMD. Welcome to the Digital Bunny. Let's level up your tech skills. So this is a command prompt. Think of it as the control center of your computer. So all the commands you see here is going to be executed using this terminal. So the first command we are going to see today is called cd, or change directory. It means this moves us inside a projects folder or any kind of folder that is found on your PC. So let me show you an example. I have created this folder called YouTube. Go inside it, then you're gonna copy the path of the folder you want to change the directory. So let's copy the path, then go to CMD, right click on the text command prompt, then edit, then paste it. Then after that, click enter. Boom, now you are inside of that folder called YouTube. So the second command is going to be dir. So this command lists all the files and folders inside that current directory or the current folder, that is YouTube. So you're gonna use this command before you move or delete anything. Always check what's here. So click enter, then it's going to show you all the folders found inside the YouTube folder: command.txt, like, subscribe, and so on. So that's the use of this command. And the third command is gonna be mkdir. What this means is make directory. So this command creates a new folder or a new file. You're going to use it like make directory, then the name of the folder, let's say projects. Then after that, the projects folder is created inside the YouTube's folder. So let's change the directory to that folder, cd projects. Now you are inside of that folder. So if you type dir, which is directory, then enter, there is no files inside it, just the default directories. So if you want to go back to your YouTube folder or to get out of this directory, you're going to type cd, then space, two dots, dot. Now sorry, industry, cd space dot. Now you are inside of that YouTube folder. So the third command is going to be type null space greater than. So this command, Windows doesn't have this Linux touch command, so we use type null to create an MBT file called notes.txt. So this command is going to create this notes.txt file inside of a YouTube folder. Or let's change the directory to first to projects, then inside here type space null space greater than, then the name of the text file you want to create. I'll just say it notes, or maybe the digital bunny sorry, the digital bunny.xt. Boom, now the digital bunny text file is created. If you want to see that, type dir. Here it is, the digital bunny.txt. So if you want to create a text file inside with a written text file, I mean you create the text file and the written document is going to be inside that text file. So if you want to do that, you're gonna use the command called echo. space, then the text you want to write inside that text file. So for example, let me say hello, sorry, hello world space, then you're gonna type greater than, then the name of the text file you want to create. Let's say maybe projects, or let's say just YouTube. Okay, youtube.txt. So now youtube.txt with the text hello world is created inside it. If you want, we can type dir and there is youtube.txt, and if you want you can open it, and where inside projects YouTube, then here hello world with a text inside a text file. So the third command is going to be move, which if you want to move any folders or files from one directory to another directory. Directory means is a folder, or yeah, inside a folder. So if you want to move the youtube txt to the YouTube directory, the YouTube folder. So you type move space, then YouTube txt, the file you want to move, .txt, then two dots. The two dots is going to move this txt file to the back directory, means to the YouTube folder. Or if you want to move this youtube.txt to another folder, you can use the path of that, the path you want to move that txt to that place. So if you click enter, now one file is moved to the YouTube directory. If you type dir, you're not no longer gonna see the YouTube txt inside here. So you're gonna change the directory back to YouTube, then you type dir, boom, here is the YouTube txt. So the final and button the list is going to be copy, which going to copy that text file to another text file, or any folder. I don't think you can use this folder, but I will tell you on the next video. So type copy, copy space, then the file you want to copy, which is gonna be youtube.txt to what file, what this so this copy command, it creates a duplicate file of that perfect backup to that YouTube's txt file. So let's say channel.txt. Now a perfect copy of that YouTube txt is created as a channel txt. So if you go inside that channel txt, you're gonna see the text hello world. So where is it? Here it is. So here, hello world, world. All right. Oh, sorry. I forgot two commands: the delete command and remove directory command. So no problem, let us see it. Okay, let's change the directory back to projects, and dir we have the digitalbunny.txt. So let's try to delete it. So the command is going to be delete del. So the digital bunny.txt. Bye bye. But I'm not gone on the YouTube. You can still subscribe, comment, and like. I'm only gone on this projects file. Okay, dir, then here the digital bunny is no longer available inside the projects folder. It's available on YouTube. You can follow. Okay, and the last command for this video is gonna be remove directory. Let's go back to the YouTube folder. All right, dir. So here are the files and the folders. So the remove directory command is going to be rmdir space /s. So to delete a folder and everything inside it, you're gonna use this command. This permanently removes the folder. So delete the folders and plus the contents using this command. So remove directory. The delete is used for removing or deleting files, and rm directory is used for to delete folders. So rmdir space /s, then projects, enter. Then are you sure why? Enter. Then if you type dir, the projects folder is no longer available. Even if you type cd projects, the system cannot find the path specified because I deleted it. All right. So that's how you use Windows like Linux with a basic CMD commands. If you want part 2 with advanced commands, automation, or real Linux on Windows, comment more and follow the digital bunny. Learn, build, level up. Bye bye.